Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at titingnan natin kung ano yung energies na parating sa inyo ngayong New Moon in Cancer sa July 6, 2024, 6:57 ng umaga, Philippine time. So if you are living outside of the Philippines, check nyo na lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng full moon sa inyong lugar. Ayan, so let's see, Capricorn. So alam naman natin na ang New Moon is about new beginnings, new opportunities, new cycles, new experiences. So this is also one of the best times to manifest your desires. Parang ano to pagsisimula ulit. Reset, kumbaga. So, for you, Capricorn, maaring mas makaresonate kayo kung kayo ay Capricorn rising. But if you are Capricorn sun or Capricorn moon, pwede rin naman kasi we will also draw some tarot cards no, for other messages. So, for you, Capricorn, itong New Moon in Cancer ay mangyayari sa inyong 7th house of relationships. Ayan. Andito rin si Venus, diba? So Venus is the planet of love, money, abundance, aesthetics. Ayan. So, some of you, maaring you may be attracting a new romantic partner if you are single, no? Pwedeng may mga dating kasi rito kasi 5th house is about dating, going out, romance, and then you also have the 3rd house which is about, networking, communications, friendships. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo Capricorn, you will gain new connections. May mga events na gagawin ka na kung saan may mga bago kang makikilalang tao na may potential na maging partner mo, romantic partner in the future, no? So, syempre kung ikaw ay in a relationship na, maaring ito yung time na mas patatatagan niyo yung inyong relationship, you will spend more time with your person, you will take care of each other, and kung kayo naging very busy ng mga nakaraan, this is the time to go out and have fun with your romantic partner. Ayan, no? Kasi I think you will experience mga luxury things in life. Yung maaring, lalo na kung kayo ay magse-celebrate ng special event sa buhay nyo, anniversary, monthsary, or any special occasion, maaring you will spend more money, no, sa mga magagandang bagay for you to enjoy together, no? So, yung mga travel, leisure, ganyan. So, you will be more parang, kumbaga medyo mag-add ka ng extra. Yan. Kumbaga, special with toppings, ganyan. Oo. So, some of you naman, if you are focused on your career, your business, maaring patatatagin mo rin yung relationship mo sa iyong business partners. Pwedeng you will start a new business partnership, collaboration with someone. This can be a friend, no? Pwedeng kaibigan mo to or kapatid, no? Kasi meron din ditong trine sa Saturn in your 3rd house. Pwedeng meron kayong mga plans ng kapatid mo na mag-start ng negosyo together or magsimula ng project together, pero hindi siya natutuloy. So, maaring ngayon, finally, matutuloy na siya. Mangyayari na siya. So, take whatever resonates. But for some of you, Capricorn, medyo exciting pagdating sa relationships, partnerships, ang inyong, ang month na ito, no? Itong New Moon in Cancer na magsisimula. And then, also, meron siyang, ang Saturn kasi ngayon is in retrograde. So, it's time for you to reassess your connections with others. Maari rin you may be letting go of mga connections that you feel na no longer serving your highest good. Yung parang pakiramdam mo, it's not helping you, or kumbaga hindi na siya makakatulong sa mga gagawin mo moving forward. It doesn't mean na parang just because wala na siyang pakinabang sa'yo, i-let go na mo na. Ang ibig lang sabihin nun is maaring hindi na kayo in alignment of your vision, your goals. So, syempre, maaring may mga separate ways na kayong gagawin with your friends, pwede rin namang sa kapatid, no? Just take what resonates. But for some of you, this is going to be a very exciting connection if you are single. And if you are in a relationship, you will have more fun, no, with your person. You have the Three of Wands. So, this is expansion, travel opportunities. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring may plans kayo of traveling abroad, or maaring nakaset na yan, no? Anytime soon, you will be traveling for business or for vacation. You also have the Nine of Swords. Ayan, very busy, marami kayong iniisip. Huwag niyong stress yung sarili niyo sa mga bagay na hindi niyo kontrolado at saka yung mga bagay na hindi pa nangyayari. Kasi parang masuspoil na agad yung fun kapag masyado kayo nag-overthink. I know mas maganda na you are prepared, but at the same time, enjoy the moment, no? Oo. Parang yung sinasabi nila na be in the moment. Kung ano yung present moment, yun yung i-enjoy mo. You have the Six of Cups. Ayan. So some of you, if you have kids, you will spend more time with your kids kasi fifth house is also about kids. Oo. And then itong Six of Cups is a very young energy. So yung iba sa inyo, maaring magkakaroon kayo ng baby, no? May new member ng family that will bring joy into your life. But if you already have kids, you may spend more time with them, traveling or communicating or talking to them, or i-check nyo yung inyong relationships, connections with them. You have the Emperor, so this is the energy of Aries. I think ngayon you will be more disciplined, no? Yung disiplina mo sa sarili mo, yan yung magdadala sa'yo sa tagumpay. Kasi the more na committed ka sa mga goals mo, disiplina mo yung sarili mo na magawa lahat yon, the more na you get closer to your goals. Uy, may Three of Swords. What is the Three of Swords? Baka merong Six of Pentacles. Okay, some of you pwedeng magkaroon ng misunderstanding, miscommunication with someone. Can be kapatid, no? Of course, hindi naman magre-resonate para sa lahat yan. But I'm seeing pwedeng magkaroon kayo ng issue, problema sa pera. Pwedeng this person, itong kapatid mo na to, ay manghihiram sa'yo tapos hindi mo pagbibigyan or vice versa. Pwede rin tong sa extended family, no? Tito, tita, ganyan. Pwedeng sa kapitbahay rin. And I also see someone na nag-expect ng bayad, galing sa kaibigan, no? Kung may nangutang, ganyan. So, maaring hindi pa ito makakapagbayad sa iyo. Oo. You have the Fox, nako. Capricorn. The Fox is some sort of deceitful energy. So, be careful in your finances kung meron kang mga investments na medyo sketchy or hindi ka sigurado, wag mo munang ituloy. Okay, what else? Lilies. Lilies, this is about your ambition. So, I think you are really focused on achieving yung mga ambition mo sa buhay. Maaring mas nagiging, ka pa ngayon, interested or parang mas nagiging inspired ka na mag-invest on your skill set para matupad mo yung pangarap mo. Kasi iba-iba tayo ng pangarap, 'di ba? So magdedepende na yan sa kung ano yung dapat mong gawin para matupad mo yung pangarap mo. And you also have flowers. So flowers is happiness, contentment. Some of you will experience mga fun things in life ngayong simula ng New Moon in Cancer. You also have bear, so this is protection. Yes, I think you have to protect your energies from people who will try to bring you down. Yung mga tao na parang i-disappoint ka or merong mga negative comments about you. Wag mo na lang hayaan na maapektuhan ka doon, no? Move on. Sabi nga nila, what other people thinks about us, hindi na natin yon. It's none of our business, kumbaga. So, New Moon in Scorpio, go deeper. Basta nilalaliman mo. ang kaalaman mo. First quarter moon in Virgo, assess the situation. Yes. So this is your way to protect yourself, to protect your energies. Kung paano mo i-assess yung situation bago ka magdesisyon, bago ka magsimula nung mga gagawin mo. You have to research on it, especially if it's something to do with partnership, business man yan, relationship man yan. So you have to make sure na you know what you're doing at kung saan ito papunta. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye!